Ever wonder why your ex still lives rent-free in your head? But the more you try to show you're doing fine, the worse it gets? Yeah, been there. Here's a psychology fact you're probably not ready for. The fastest way to make her regret losing you is to stop trying to make her regret losing you. I know, sounds backwards. Stick with me, this gets good. Because almost nobody understands why this actually works. Psychologists call this value reperception. Basically, how someone's brain recalculates your worth after you're gone. And once you see it, you'll understand why begging, explaining, or pouring your heart out in a 5-paragraph text only pushes her further away. Here's the deal. What you do after the breakup matters way more than anything you said while you were together. Let me paint a picture. It's midnight. You're lying in bed, phone 2 inches from your face. You type a message, delete it, type again. You're explaining your side. Again. Classic dopamine loop. Your brain thinks, one more message will fix this. Most people respond to loss the same way. They chase, they over-explain, they send long emotional messages, they try to show how much they cared. And psychologically, that does one dangerous thing. It tells her she was the prize. Here's the harsh truth nobody likes hearing. People don't miss what they still have access to. They miss what they lost and can't reach anymore. The moment you chase, you erase the sense of loss. And without loss, there's no regret. None. And get this. This is also why trying to make her jealous usually backfires. Your brain thinks visibility creates value. Let me post more. Let me show her I'm thriving. But psychology says the opposite. Scarcity creates value. When you're always available, your worth feels unlimited, like Netflix on autoplay. When you disappear, now there's uncertainty. And uncertainty messes with the brain. Your absence forces her mind to replay memories, to compare, to wonder, to question if she made the right call. After a breakup a couple years back, I did the exact wrong thing. Posted sad gym pics, subtle captions, totally obvious. Did nothing. Later I went silent. Like actually silent. Focused on work. Got disciplined. Cleaned up my routine. And months later, that's when the "Hey, how've you been?" text showed up. Not when I was hurting, when I was gone. Because here's the truth most people avoid. Regret doesn't come from seeing you suffer. It comes from seeing you rise without them. This is how emotionally strong people handle loss. Step 1, they don't beg. Step 2, they don't post sad quotes at 3 a.m. Step 3, they stop trying to win the breakup. Instead, they redirect their drive. They improve quietly. They get focused. They rebuild who they are. And here's why that hits so hard psychologically. When you move on with strength, her brain experiences cognitive dissonance. She expected you to fall apart. She expected to stay important in your life. Instead, she sees you leveling up. Without her, that breaks the old story. It's no longer, I left someone who needed me. It becomes, I walked away from someone valuable. And that shift? That's regret. So here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Don't prove your worth to someone who chose to leave. Let your absence explain it. Silence is powerful. Growth is loud. Confidence is unforgettable. The goal isn't to get her back. Real talk. The goal is to become the version of yourself that makes walking away feel like a mistake. And when you do this right, one of two things happens. Either she comes back with regret, or you outgrow the version of you that wanted her validation. Both outcomes, total wins. So remember this the next time you feel that urge to text her. You don't make someone regret losing you by chasing them. You do it by becoming someone they can't replace. If this helped rewire how you see breakups, smash the like button. Subscribe for weekly psychology that actually makes you stronger, not desperate. And comment, level up if you're choosing self-respect over chasing. Thank you.